People is proud to present the 40 Days for the FinTechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program, which is leading the way in advocating for technology that promotes financial inclusivity. Since 2020, we've profiled over 100 FinTechs, and our inaugural edition in Tanzania is shining a spotlight on those breaking down digital barriers and transforming lives for the better.
My name is Mohammed Al-Baiti. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GasFasta. GasFasta is an ecosystem of distribution of home cooking gas to the end user using several different technologies. So basically it's delivering of gas, home cooking gas to customers using a click of a button. We're trying to solve the problem of accessibility, affordability, and delivery to the end user. And how are we solving this problem is by providing the solutions of accessibility to customers through our platform. We have an application iOS and Android, WhatsApp chatbot, and we have our network of vendors all around Dar es Salaam where we can deliver to the end user. We're also assisting with the problem of delivery, where we provide free delivery to the end user, which helps at the end of the day to make gas more affordable through our solutions, also like credit to the customers and buy now, pay later. And also there's a system called Kibubu system where a customer can save up to an amount to be able to purchase the gas. Well, we've created several modes of payment. You can either pay on delivery, cash on delivery, or we have options where you can pay through the mobile phone on the app and also pay through your bank account from the application. So we're looking at a strategy to scale up to other regions in Tanzania, and we'll soon move up to Mwanza, Arusha, Moshi, Dodoma, and Morogoro and Zanzibar through partnering with several different partners, banks and mobile network operators, to help engage more people and reach out to a wider base of customers. One of the main challenges that we're facing is the consumer behavior. There's a big problem with the consumers to convert them into a more technological way of ordering gas. There's still a more traditional way of ordering gas. But through the awareness we're giving, we're trying to solve this problem by informing them on how there's several different ways in which they can get cleaner cooking methods. We've recently seen a lot of programs coming up where big organizations like banks and telcos, they've introduced programs where startups can present their product and they can see how you can work closely with telecoms. And fortunately for us, during our presentation of GasFasta in the marketplaces, we were noticed by telcos and banks, and we were approached by several different players for partnerships. And if it wasn't for these accelerators and marketplaces, it would have been very difficult for us to showcase our product. Many times we try to work alone in order to grow, but partnerships will always help for any startup to grow. Either partnerships with accelerators, partnerships with other organizations, even two startups can work together to grow and scale up. And this is one of the biggest way in which, and easiest way in which a startup can grow and scale up. We know that a lot of investors will come to Tanzania after seeing these videos, and it will encourage a lot of innovators to come up and showcase their product. And more fintechs will come out and approach 40 fintechs in order to showcase what they have and how they can showcase it to the whole of Africa. GasFasta is currently available on on the iOS app and Android app. You can find it on Google Play or Play Store. And they can also visit our website, www.gasfasta.com.
Join us in this financial inclusivity revolution, presented in partnership with Level 1 Project, Information and Communication Technologies Commission ICTC, Founders Academy, Cyber PLC Academy, Cross-Leg Technologies, Infitex, Ideation Corner, and the Moduloop Foundation, with generous support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Follow hashtag 40 Days for the FinTechs, hashtag Level 1 Project to learn more and get involved in creating a brighter financial future for all.